guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, we'll be doing get ready with me for Rakhi, or you can take it as a Rakhi makeup tutorial or red eyeshadow makeup tutorial, because I did exactly this makeup look in this video and I'm super excited. I'm sharing my skincare, how I shave my face, skincare and my outfit, jewelry, hairstyle, everything in this video. So I'm super excited. It might be that bit long, so please bear with me. Grab your snack or something, the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends if you think this video is entertaining and helpful for you. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any more time. So guys, we'll start with the skin prep, because as I told in the video, I will be showing you my skincare, makeup, hair, outfit as well, jewelry and everything. So we'll get totally ready for Rakhi. So I am starting off with shaving my face. So this is the razor I am using. I have been using it, like I have been doing shaving for such a long time. It's almost like 2 years now. I personally feel it's the best. It's totally safe, it's cheap. So let's start. It's a totally personal choice if you guys want to do it, or if you don't want to do it also, then also it's totally fine. मुझे तो शेव करनी ही थी. आई लाइक लव शेविंग माई फेस. इट गिव्स मी अ वेरी स्मूथ एप्लीकेशन फॉर माई मेकअप एंड मतलब चेहरा वैसे भी बहुत स्मूथ और बहुत हेल्दी, ग्लोई, और लाइक इट फील्स वेरी सॉफ्ट टू मी. सो आई लव शेविंग माई फेस. आई डू इट 10 डेज में एक बार या 15 डेज में एक बार, या ज़रा सा जो थोड़ा सा फेस पे हेयर होता है तो आई विल रिमूव. So I am done with my face shave. So I will go with this Olay Retinol. I have been using it for like I think month से भी ज़्यादा हो गया है, and I religiously follow this for my morning skincare routine, चाहे मैं मेकअप वगैरह नहीं भी कर रही हूँ तो. So I will apply this generously on my face, क्योंकि अभी मैंने शेव भी किया तो I want my skin to be extra hydrated. How much it has hydrated my skin. and अभी तो शायद मैंने मतलब इतना सारा लगाया था और अभी 2 seconds हुए हैं and it's totally absorbed, तो मैं थोड़ा सा और लगाऊंगी. I will take this Scent Botanica under eye cream. This is such an amazing under eye cream guys. So we'll start with the eyes. थोड़ा सा heavy look करने वाली हूँ मैं. So I प्राइम माई आईज. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपनी आईज को प्राइम करो अच्छे से. माई आईज आई एम यूजिंग नन अदर देन हुडा ब्यूटी, क्योंकि इसके अंदर ना कुछ बहुत ब्यूटीफुल शेड्स हैं. लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू प्ले विद दिस कलर और थोड़ा सा दिस एंड दिस, थोड़ा सा ब्राउन टाइप, रेडिश टाइप लुक बनाने का सोच रही हूँ मैं. लेट्स सी. माई आई विल डू माई आईब्रोज नाउ, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम सीइंग मैंने आईब्रोज नहीं बनाई है. सो आई एम यूजिंग स्विस ब्यूटी पेंसिल. So I will do my eyebrows and I will be back. So done with my brows. So I will take this very light shade over here. The name of the shade is Demure, and I will like pat it over my eyelid. Now I will take this shade over here, Sandalwood. It's the lightest. I will create a gradient effect. This, and this. So I am trying to keep it matte, and yet I am adding 3-4 shadows. We'll take the same fluffy brush and like apply the eyeshadow little bit above the crease. You can see we have added the light color brown over here. So what I will do next, I will take this brown shadow and will apply it over here onto the crease with this more dense brush. If you can see, it's little bit dense than the previous one that we use. It's little dirty, it already has this color, so I have picked this like shade. So we'll pick up the shade and then we'll tap off the excess and we'll apply it on our crease. As you can see, we have little bit of brown, and then we have placed that dark brown color. It's okay if we have placed it on lid, it's not there properly, because what we will do now, I will apply this red color onto my lid. And I am taking little bit of more dense brush so that I can pack the eyeshadow and place it on my eyelid. You guys can see I have beautifully placed the red eyeshadow on my lid. What I will do now, I will again take this shade on this brush, again little bit only I will take, and then will place on my outer V, and then will little bit will do the circly motion. As you can see, there is no harsh line in between, we have blended it. And now what I will do, I will take a more fluffier brush and take the most light brown shadow on it, and then will apply it at the top part, so that if any line is there, so that will also get blended, and it will give us a very beautiful blended effect. As you can see, we have a little bit of fallout, so I will clean that up and will apply the eyeshadow on my lower line, waterline. We'll take the same red eyeshadow and will apply it under my eyes. I have this little glitter brush, I will apply it in my inner corner. So although we said we'll keep it very matte, I'll apply kajal on my lower waterline, because we want little bit of smoked effect, because Indian looks बिना काजल के कैसे complete लगेंगी. I'll apply very thin layer of eyeliner, and for that I am using Faces Canada's eyeliner. Very thin line. I will curl my lashes. Now I have completed my eyes, and I'm loving how this red eyeshadow makeup look turned out. So now we'll be moving on to the face, and for my face I'm using Swiss Beauty. This also I recently bought and it has become my favorite. So I will be using this one because it's extremely hydrated and it gives a very dewy, juicy, beautiful effect to the skin. That's what I'm going for. I want my base to look very dewy and juicy and healthy. I forgot how thick it is. Now we'll move on to the foundation, and for foundation I'm using these two foundation. One is Maybelline Fit Me and one is this Take Workies. It's more of a BBCC kind of cream, and this is little thick, so it's also not thick, little runny also, but still this is little bit lighter and this is bit darker. So I will mix both the foundations and will apply on my face to get that perfect base. If you guys don't have a right shade with you, this is what you guys can do: mix two foundations together and make it your shade. So I will apply it on my face because both of these give me a juicy kind of effect on my face. So I love this. Will apply the concealer and I'm using Swiss Beauty. Oh, how I love this concealer, guys. It's so amazing, so smooth. थोड़ा सा लोअर लैश का आई शेडो मिस हो रहा है. इट्स ओके, will work on it again. Quickly will set the face, and for setting my face I will be using MAC Studio. This has been my favorite since ages now. I love using this powder. It's so finely milled that it sets the base so beautifully, guys. Amazing product. The difference, how beautiful it is. Our base is ready, and now what we'll do, we'll move on to the bronzer. For my bronzer I'm using my favorite Hoola bronzer. What other than Hoola? I'm looking for some good bronzer recommendation as well. So guys, let me know. Like this is such a brush leke will bronze our nose as well. For my blush, I am using Sugar's blush. This shade is so beautiful and it will go perfectly with this look. One tip, or like try to apply blush to this part. It will give you a lifted like face kind of effect. It looks very beautiful, natural उसमें जाने की बजाय. Like do like this, it looks amazing. We'll now move on to the highlighter, and for my highlighter I am using Master Chrome. Like I am about to hit the pan. If you guys can see, I absolutely love this highlighter. This is so beautiful, guys. I'll set the base once. So this is it guys. I have like done my hair. थोड़ा सा straight करके नीचे से थोड़ा सा मैंने ऐसे ही wavy छोड़ा है, ऊपर से थोड़ा straight किया है, and I have taken out little bit part of my hair out and like simple सा hair style किया है, nothing extraordinary. I have added my hoops because hoops तो हर dress के साथ amazing लगते हैं, and इसके अंदर थोड़ा white आ रहा था तो I added this pearl kind of necklace that I have. like इन दोनों का और ड्रेस का भी कुछ अगर मुझे सिमिलर सा लिंक मिलेगा, I will add in the description box, as well as सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. So do let me know how you like this red eyeshadow makeup look. I tried red eyeshadow makeup look for the first time on my channel, and I'm loving how it turned out. It looks beautiful, it looks elegant without being messy and everything. And do let me know how you like the whole Rakhi outfit, hairstyle, jewelry, makeup and everything. Thank you so much guys for watching. This means a lot. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I really need your support on Instagram because मेरा जो channel है वो hack हो गया है, and like it got hacked and deleted. I was so devastated. I think मैंने इसकी एक video already डाली है अपने channel पे where I'm talking about it. So if you want to know more about this कि मेरा channel कैसे delete हो गया है, क्या हुआ मेरा Instagram का, so like that's another thing. I won't get into that. So yes, I need your support a lot, so please follow me there. I will add the link, आई बटन के अंदर भी लिंक डाल दूंगी मैं, इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर भी. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care.